Good evening, everyone.
Good
Myself,
evening,
Vidit,
sir.
as everybody
Good
knows.
evening.
There are, I must say, there are some rules for this. The
Good
rules
evening, sir.
are in this way: कि everybody need to be keep mute himself. First of all, I'll explain you everything, and then later on, in the last, I'll give you a chance for question and answer. So there, you can go. So we'll start our session. So in that today's our first of all we'll see the topic. The topic is I'll explain you and many important things I'll tell you about this time for the IMU CET and many big changes which everybody need to be know, and I think it is important for everyone. So please mute yourself and listen very carefully. It's important as per your because you are going to fill your IMU CET examination, right? So the things are already out. So I'm just putting a website and then I'm sharing the screen with you where we'll start the session. So my screen is visible to everyone, I think, right? So you just need to type IMU on the Google. You will find the website of Welcome to Indian Maritime University, imu.edu.in. When you click on this, you will find yourself over here. It's given about admission brochure also, and here click here to IMU CET 2021 and 22 registration. When you click on this, you will be on other website where you will find such kind of the things. When you click on this here, this will give you the academic brochure, right? We will see this academic brochure also. And when you click notification for CET 2021 for the registration. So this will be the window will be open here. Now in this website you can see one is academic brochure which is important. Second is notification for IMU CET 2021 and 22 registration. When we click on that, we are on this page. You can see there are two types. So here everybody need to be click on this type, apply.register.now.in imu.cet. You have to click over here. We here. So here you can see there are some important dates. 29/7, the date of registration started. Last date is 20th August. The date of mock test. I'll explain you what is mock test. Date of IMU CET is on 29/8/2021, Sunday, and date of publishing of the result will be on the 6th. We will see when the course will commission, and these all the details we will see. Okay, apart from this, where you need to click, see here if you see here, there are two options. New user, click for their basic registration, and this is the second one. You can see register candidate can click over here. So everybody need to be, I think, new user only. So they will click over here. So when you click over here, this will be open. You need to be say I understood and everything. Here you need to click UZ. Don't make mistake. You don't need to click MBA also. You don't need to click MTech. You need to click UZ. Whether you are doing DNS or whether you are doing the BTech, both the candidates or BSc, they will click this. And when you fill this and continue, then you will get your username and password. So then you need to be login. You need to click on the login. You will have your username, you will have your password, and when you click, you will be go inside, and then you will upload your other details, your academics, your 12th result, and everything. Now here, this is the simple process to register yourself, and the end of the time you will do your uh, payment, right? So this is the things which we are doing. Now we will come on the academic brochure, which is also very important. Now in this academic brochure, there are some important things. We will come on eligibility criteria. As everybody knows, this time also the eligibility criteria is same. PCM 60%, minimum 50% marks in English, right? And age is also given. Apart from that, physical fitness is also given, right? So most of the things are more or less equal over here, right? You can see this eligibility criteria, age relaxation and things are 5% for SC/ST. This is the same. Okay. Now the next thing which is important, we will see one by one. This is the same eligibility criteria for DNS also, and same for BSc and BTech. So we don't have any problem in this, nothing change. Now here, little important things which I just need to tell you. Here you can see the college's name and their seats. किस कॉलेज में कितनी सीट्स हैं, which you can easy to identify from here, right? This is again important. Many students are asking किस में कितने हैं और कौन कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट IMU के अंडर आ रहा है. That list you may seen from here. जैसे some colleges can say that कि नहीं, हम तो जो है we are comes under in IMU itself, and if you are not getting their names in this list, then you can easy to identify that they are doing little fraud with you. Their name should be in this, otherwise it is not consider कि वो IMU के अंडर आते हैं कि नहीं आते. Right? Now here is important for us. There was rumors is going around that in IMU CET will be 2 hours and questions will be reduced. Here you can see 200 questions. It is same which we have the earlier. You can see the syllabus of English, general aptitude, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and 12 plus 2. Again, it's mentioned intermediate or equivalent level. So here we'll try to understand what will be the syllabus. Syllabus is 12th class ka, 11th class का and 10th class का. 10th, 11th and 12th, all three will be considered for this. ठीक है. Now this 200 question distributions, as we have earlier, it's the same. I have confirmed, so that's why I am telling you. Physics will be 50 question, chemistry will be 25, mathematics will be 50, right, and English will be 25, general aptitude will be 25. Now here they haven't mentioned GK, but I have asked to IMU and found in this way the GK is considered in general aptitude itself. It means you have to prepare GK also. So there will be 50 questions from the general aptitude, will be 25 from the GK and 25 from the general aptitude, right? So this will be 50, then 25 from the English, 75, 25 from the chemistry, 100, and 50 from physics and 50 from mathematics. It comes on 200 questions very easily. Now there is a very important thing over here. Can you read this line? Candidate desire to admission in DNS February batch are required to take on CET August compulsory, that there will not be any separate CET for February batch. It means, suppose you have fight for sponsorship for this batch and you didn't get, then the same rank will be considered for the February batch also, and again you don't need to fight for IMU CET again. It will be valid for 2 batches. This thing is changes this time, and first time it's happened. There are many candidates thinks in this way कि मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ IIT का, ट्रिपल ई का हो जाएगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर मैं अगले बैच में दे लूंगा. नो, फरवरी में आपको कोई चांस नहीं मिलेगा. IMU CET होगा, विदाउट IMU CET आप ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते. You can join with the IMU CET. तो this time वाला जो IMU CET है, this is very compulsory and it's very important, right? This point is very important for us. Other than that, this is the same thing. If you see, it is mentioned over here once again. The same rank card and same everything will be valid, right? Now, if we see the amount, 1000 for OBC and general candidate and 700 for SC and ST. Now there is a one more category is general EWS. We will discuss this topic, is very important. When you are filling your category, you need to be very careful about that. If you are putting OBC NCL, you need to be have a latest in this year itself. इस साल का सर्टिफिकेट आपके पास होना जरूरी है इफ यू आर फिलिंग ओबीसी एनसीएल. अगर आप जनरल ईडब्ल्यूएस का भर रहे हो, सो देर इज ए विद द इनकम प्रूफ, देर इज ए certificate pattern. It is mentioned in this. I'll show you those things you have to made up. Now I'll show you that, which is very important. In the end of this, you will find. Now this is This certificate is EWS. Now how you will make this EWS? You will make your income proof. Then this set printout, you will take it, fill it, and take to your tehsildar nearest. Yeah, above tehsildar, any of the rank. They will see that income certificate, and basis on that, they will fill this, put their signature and seal. This will be valid only for IMU. Again, here if he comes, this one is for OBC NCL. Now, while filling this many times, many students are getting the problem. What will be the problem? If you see the number one, two, there are plenty of the points is mentioned over here. Now, these are the section which is mentioned here. They are for all the state. It does not meaning कि ये सारे point आपके state में valid हो. Suppose you are from Rajasthan, right? एंड राजस्थान में ये सारे पॉइंट वैलिड नहीं होते. देयर आर 2 and 3 पॉइंट्स आर वैलिड. तो आप वो 2 या 3 पॉइंट को रखोगे, बाकी पॉइंट को स्ट्राइक कर सकते हो, या वो 2 या 3 पॉइंट को केवल टिक करके इस सर्टिफिकेट पे साइन कराना है बेसिस ऑन योर ओबीसी सर्टिफिकेट विच इज जनरेटेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, राइट? नाउ द सेम काइंड ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट यू विल फाइंड फॉर द SC/ST ऑल्सो. दिस इज फॉर SC/ST. तो इस पे कौन साइन करेगा? साइन के लिए अबव तहसीलदार रैंक all the officers are valid. So now you understood about the caste certificate कैसे run करेगा, right? So in this, if you have seen, there are some government colleges and there are some affiliated colleges in this. So this is very, very important. That's why I have taken you over here. Now here you can see the government colleges. These are the government colleges who's taking BTech Marine Engineering, BTech Naval Architect, BSc Nautical Science. This is basically by the IMU. And in the down below, if you see the private institute which is affiliated from the IMU, and seats are given, right? So this one is our process. Now I'll stop sharing the screen. Now I have explained you on which site you have to go, and then what you need to click it, where you need to be click it. Now there is a one more important things which I just need to share with everyone. Here, if you have seen IMU CET helpline. Now this is the helpline number and email ID is given you. Now with that, you can take a screenshot of this and keep it with you. This is also again very important. Apart from this, one more very, very important things, please note down. If somebody is doing the payment of IMU CET, it's my humble request, don't do any kind of payment from SBI Bank. Why I am telling you, last to last year and last year also, I have seen many times कि the payment is deduct from SBI, and later on found that you have generated your CT number also, everything is done, and later on at the last found in this way कि उसका फॉर्म फिल नहीं हुआ है, उनका पेमेंट लास्ट तक नहीं पहुंचा. ड्यू टू एनी ऑफ द रीजन, ये ट्रांजेक्शन में या स्पीड कम होने की वजह से these problems are coming. So my humble request, please use any private bank to do the payment process for this thing. And if you do the SBI bank, then double cross your check every day, check your statement कि पैसा वापस तो नहीं आ गया SBI बैंक से. If somebody received back, don't think in this way कि अरे मेरा तो फ्री में भर गया. No, you have to be go over there and work it out. Now again, very important things which I just need to share to everyone. Now there we are talking about demo. We were talking about the demo mock test. Mock test is a type of 3-hour type of testing which you can do, and I must suggest everyone need to be do, because that only will decide your system ability. Now with the system ability, there is a one more important thing. Important thing is this, like everybody need to be have a good laptop with good system and with the Google Chrome updated, so that your things will be run. It should be enabled microphone, in it should be have a camera, on their laptop. Now this how this exam will be done. This is very important. The exam will be done by your home itself, means like it will be online, and on the software they'll give you the link, username and password. You will be sit at home with a vacant and quiet room. There you will put your URL and put your username and password. With that you will give your examination. Now this examination will be for 3 hours only, and while sitting there might be chance you will not get a chance to get up and go for washroom and all also, because there will be things are automatic. So you have to be sit accordingly only, so that exact 3 hour you can be there for your examination. So this is all about the examination which I was thinking to explain everyone. Now we can start a QA session. So there the candidate can ask their questions. Okay. Yes, the August batch examination will be home based only. At home itself you will be give the examination. Yes, there will be no negative marking. Anyone, if you can unmute yourself and ask the questions. UG certificate. This Rahul, you can speak out. I didn't get it. What is the UG certificate? UG certificate is undergraduate certificate. Suppose in this eligibility, if you have seen, not only 12th class, if somebody is done their BSc also, they are also eligible in the DNS. So that time they will submit their undergraduate certificate. See, OBC NCL certificate is already mentioned in, if you have seen in this brochure, which is published by the IMU CET, there you will find that. Okay, so just a minute, I'll make changes in the. Yes, now you guys can do your unmute and
Hello.
ask the question.
Excuse me,
Yes.
sir.
So,
Sir, but
uh,
in while filling the application form, it is written that there is negative marking over here.
In the inside, when you are filling, you are finding
Sir,
that.
and I emailed
Yes,
them. They responded.
Yes, if it is mentioned over there, because it was not mentioned in the brochure. So if it is mentioned over there, then there will be, I think, 1/4 will be the negative marking. I think 25 marks, means like 0.25 marks
Sir,
will be deducted.
sir, also in the circular it was mentioned that exam will be for 2 hours.
No, exam will be 3 hours only.
So 3 hours,
It
3 hours
was in
to
old
200 questions
circular, it
and
was mentioned, but right now the questions which are already published here, at present it is 3 hours, but later on may possible, because I am getting this things that there might be possible they will cut down little syllabus, or it may reduce the timing. But till now the questions are 200 only. So as per the 200, the examination will be 3 hours only. But
sir,
still,
the
sir, I
circular
have a
was
question.
posted
Sir,
on 27th, like day
Sir,
before yesterday, that it will be of 2 hours.
there it was
minimum
mentioned,
rank.
but in the brochure it is mentioned 200 questions. There they have mentioned
Sir,
uh, timing, and it was this way ki they are going to reduce their questions also. But
sir, I have a
sir.
right now we are getting the same questions. So it
sir,
might
I have
be. Yes,
Yeah.
please.
sir, I have a question that since many of the sponsorship companies are taking their separate examinations like MSc and all, and do you think like more company would visit your institute? Like I have like cleared your exam and I have given the
Yes, yes, of
interview and
course.
all.
Once
Yeah,
I'll explain you this. Earlier
yeah.
also, it is all based on the examination itself, and once your this IMU CET is done, once your IMU CET is done, and as per the rank, whatever you are getting, I am telling you with the guarantee itself, there will be many companies, they are going to take the candidates based on their rank itself, and mostly they are going to take only interview.
Okay, so like I don't have to any to get into any separate examinations. Like as soon I get my IMU CT done, then
Yes.
I will, as soon I get my rank card and all. So like your institute will
Yes,
have a
mostly
connection
companies
with me, and
every time the process is like that only. So this time, like what happened, they are going to be do in a single time only. Matlab, like single time they're going to be select basis on where will be get passed in this IMU CET rank.
okay, okay. So sir, what would be the
Excuse
what
me,
would be
sir.
the
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
can I finish, please?
yes.
sir,
Sir, I have a question that what would be the minimum rankage, like what would be the minimum ranking for a good company to visit your, like to have a
Minimum
reward
your
back?
rank should be under 1,000 only.
Okay, like if I score under 1,000, it would be good enough to get a company
Yes,
through your institute.
yes, yes.
So
sir,
like
sir,
IMI is
sir,
going to
can we
start
get
their
sponsorship
process
after the
after
IMU
IMU
exam?
Afterward, yes, of
Sir,
course.
can I get sponsorship after IMU exam?
Yes, yes,
Because
of
I
course.
don't have any sponsorship right
And
now.
I am telling you, this time everybody need to be do their this examination. Why this important? Because suppose if you get sponsored and you are going for the next
Yes.
batch, February batch, then also you need
Okay.
to have a good rank. So this time it is
Okay.
very necessary for everyone to be get a good rank. It's necessary.
Sir, because
just
of
now
many
what we
companies,
told that was about the
Excuse me, sir.
IMI
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have 2-year-old OBC certificate. Will it work?
See, this time it will
No.
be workout, but at the time of your admission, you need to have an updated one.
And sir,
is there
at the
any
time of
company
filling
in
IMU,
Sir, I have
IMU
a
suite
question, sir.
application
That
Sir,
form,
at the time of
we
filling
should
of
have
IMU,
passport.
no,
Passport.
that
We
won't
should
be
have.
any issue. You can upload it, but still later on in behind you can generate the new one, which will be used at the time of at the time of
So the caste
Have
certificate is
passport.
also applicable for general.
286.
what you are telling.
Sir, what?
Sir, we got the results today, but IMU is asking for 12th certificate, mark certificate. How to upload that, sir?
Yes, that's a very important question. Whatever you have get it in your internet itself, take a screenshot and upload it. That will be fine. It will be acceptable. At the time of later on in very last, then you will get again.
Sir,
we
I
know
don't
that-
have a passport. Can I fill
qualification
IMU
mark
suite
in
application?
I have to upload the screenshot.
Again, there is a very important point. Please mute yourself. Listen, if somebody is not having passport, first thing today itself, please apply for the passport. नहीं तो otherwise it will be very big issue for the next time.
I
Sir, is
Sir,
there
applied
any
for the
company in
passport, but
IMI
I
going to take
but
cadets
I don't
before
get
IMU
it.
city?
Then, sir, it's possible that I can use it.
What you can use it? Can you repeat once again?
Sir, actually, I have applied for my passport, but when I didn't get, so then I can apply for, because I have passport entry numbers.
Yes, you can
I can
apply,
use-
but at the passport is mandatory at the time of your admission.
Okay, so sir, I have a question. Like there is a category for EWS, and does the reservation also work for this
Yes,
institute?
in the rank
Okay.
it is considered. Now I'll
Excuse me,
show
sir.
you something.
What about the qualifying mark of IMU CET?
Okay.
Just hold on.
So
I
it's
just
like
want to show you something.
Okay.
Here you can see there will be a negative marking for wrong answers. It is mentioned over there, right? So there will be a negative marking. It is already mentioned.
Yeah.
So that's the same
Yeah.
thing. 0.25 negative marking will be there. It's a mention in a general instruction for this thing. Here you can see they are given What are the things? Like you can see here, the site is screen resolution is this much, web browser, Internet Explorer 10, Microsoft, Mozilla, and Google Chrome 30, and higher than that, all the software are eligible to give the examination. Please use desktop. I must say that don't use the desktop, use laptop.
Okay.
For the
Sir, I
examination
have a
also-
question.
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir. Like EWS, like general EWS. So, what would be the like ranking criterias, like for the institutes and all? Like it is stated that it is 10% reservation, but how does it work on the ranking factor?
See, it will be work in this way. The rank will be, you will get it such kind. Suppose there are 7,000 candidates passed out in general. Now somebody is
Okay.
having 10% reservation. Means like after 7,000, 10% candidate who comes under in general category, they will be taken as a, they'll product, the IMU will provide them a rank like 7,001, 7,002, yeah, 7,080, something like that. They will going to take 10% more candidates from that.
Okay, so
Excuse me,
it would
sir.
be like if there are 1,000 journal students and they are getting same rank as me, but
Yes.
I do have a EWS certificate, so I have a slightly higher chance of getting selected than them.
No, 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 no. Again, you
Oh,
are not
okay,
getting the
okay,
thing. Suppose the
okay,
passing marks was the 70, right? So till
okay,
70, everybody pass. Now they will
okay,
take 10% of candidate from the EWS. So suppose
okay,
10% candidate will be in that below like 69, 68, 65. Those candidates will also pass and will get the rank. It does not meaning they'll
okay,
get a rank in higher side. No, they pass in examination, but the rank will be in the
okay,
behind only. Overall rank will be
okay.
behind,
So
but they have passed.
so
But in the same marks,
okay,
if you have general candidate, he cannot clear.
Sir, what
okay.
are
So
the
like
minimum marks we should score in the
It is
IMU
again, I
CET?
have explained earlier, it is all relative marking. They have to take
okay,
700 candidates, they are going to take 700 candidates. That's it.
okay. So there's a question that
Sir, I had
like
given the MSc interview. I had given, sir, when will the result declare?
That will be talked separate. Don't worry. Here today we have a doubt regarding the IMU CET examination itself.
so, sir,
Okay.
I
So
have
for the
a,
general
Sir?
I
category,
also have a doubt. Like,
Excuse me, sir.
since I have to get, if I want to get a sponsorship from your institute and like different companies, I have to get a rank below 1,000, like
Yes,
around
of course.
800 or above 800 to make sure that I
100%.
do get a selection. So, like
Yes,
in
yes.
this, any quota work?
No, no. In this quota will not be workout. It
Okay,
won't be
it is only
workout. It is workout only for IMU CT rank. And if you join in government institute, then it will be workout. Otherwise, it won't be workout.
okay. So it is basically for the passing marks only. Okay,
Yes, it is
if
just
you have to.
to pass your this IMU CT.
Okay, so the quota only help in passing exam. Okay, okay. Thank you,
Yes,
sir. I am
100%.
just clear.
Excuse me,
sir,
sir. I have
for the
one doubt,
general
sir.
category,
Sir, how to appear for the mock test?
Yes, mock test link will be provided shortly in your registration only. When you log in yourself, in that you will find a dashboard. In the dashboard, when you have your application form, second, you will find your admit card. Third, when your examination will be done, you will have a CET rank card, and there itself you will have a one link which is said mock test. Either it can come over there or it can come in this main screen. I'll show you over here. यहाँ पे कहीं लिंक मिल सकता है. Suppose this link is not available right now, but shortly this link can be blink over here. तो आप अपना registered CET number डाल के you can start, or it will be inside in your when you go in register candidate, उसमें login करने के बाद में मिलेगा. But this I'll clear you in this comment में मैं आप लोगों को बता दूंगा. एक वीडियो बना के मैं डाल दूंगा. Don't worry about this. But right now,
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
two places it will be
sir,
available.
sir,
Sir,
any
Sir,
certificate
I have a
we have
doubt
to give
about,
for
sir.
general
I have a
category.
doubt about,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
sir. I
Excuse
have a
me, sir.
doubt about documents.
Sir, like I got rank
Again,
2000, so
Just
that
a minute.
is
Just
usually.
somebody is asking about the documents. Yeah, please finish yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am. Sir, in my Aadhaar card, passport, all my documents, my name is Lalit Surendra Bhandari,
and I was born in Uttarakhand. Therefore, the pattern of writing name is Lalit, and after that they add string in our name. So, will it create any problem for me? Because in only my birth certificate I have Lalit Singh Bhandari, and every documents I have Lalit Surendra Bhandari.
That's fine. I must say that your full name you should use it. And what will be the name in
Okay.
your passport?
Lalit Surendra Bhandari.
That's fine. Then this will be not. See, your 10th mark sheet and your passport name should be
Yes,
same.
sir.
That's it.
10th marks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are same.
That's more than enough. You don't need to be problem for that then.
Excuse
So
me, sir.
I need to make an
Sir,
affidavit or some kind of
No,
thing
no, you don't
for
need
that.
to
Sir,
make
if I
any kind
get,
of evidence. No need. For your
Okay. Okay.
birth cert, you don't need to show birth certificate to anyone. You just show as a
Okay.
birth. If somebody is asking, you show your 10th mark sheet. That will be eligible.
Okay,
Sir,
fine,
if
sir.
I
Thank you
get
so
a
much.
rank 2000, then that is useless.
No, it is not be like useless, but I must to recommend to everyone, please get the rank as lowest as possible. Now, again, one more request: if somebody didn't join any kind of coaching and all, not having the supporting syllabus and the supporting files with you, then they can contact to myself. I'll accommodate for them. Don't worry. And I must recommend to everyone, start studying for the IMU CET, right? Now
Yes,
this,
sir. But sir,
if
from
this
where I will
meeting is
contact you.
ended, suppose if this meeting is ended, you can join with the same link once again.
Sir, any
Sir, I have a question
From where I will
regarding
contact
the
you.
entrance of
required for
Anglo
it in what
Stream.
category?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Yeah,
any company
I have
coming
one by one, one by
for
one, one by one,
IMCT?
one by one. So that's why.
200 questions.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, so there will be 200 questions, 3 hours with negative marking. Correct.
With negative marking. Right now, the things is this way, but again, I'm telling you, this is all depend on the situation. Suppose things are good and COVID might be reduced, then this examination can be based on the center also. They can allot the center also. It's all depend on the pandemic situation. This exam can be reduced in 2 hours also. When they reduce the 2 hours, they'll reduce the questions also. But this is
Sir,
still not
and
decided. It
sir,
will be
the
decided when the
exam,
admit card will be come out. But right now you need to be considered in this way. It will be 3 hours, 200 questions.
Sir,
And
sir,
sir,
the
from where I
exam
will
will
admit
contact
be
you.
card will
basically for
be
IMI. That
After
was
that,
for the sponsorships, na?
How we can make OBC certificate, sir?
Yes, OBC certificate, like you lives in any states nearby, you can go to their Nagar Palika. There you will find the Tehsildar and maybe above rank SDM vagara. There you can go and made your OBC certificate. And the next certificate which is given in this application brochure at the down, you can go and download it. And when you download this,
Yes, sir.
when you
sir,
download this and take a printout,
Sir, I
take a
have recently
printout, and
updated
then
my OBC certificate.
any of officer which is above rank of Tehsildar, basis on the existing certificate, he can do sign on this. But this all the things will be needed at the time of admission. Right now, whatever you have, you can upload. That will be fine.
Sir,
Even for the
sir,
Sir,
12th mark sheet,
for
take a
from where I
screenshot
can
and
contact
upload.
you.
IMI,
After that,
Sir, after
the
IMU
exam
CET rank,
for
other
IMI
I can
companies
that was
also
for
contact you
visit.
sponsorship,
because
right?
you have said that
Yes.
you will teach, you will guide. Sir, then from where I will contact you.
Yes, I'll dropping my numbers over here, right? And with the numbers, what you can do, you can do me a WhatsApp, right? I'll reply over there. Call me when it is very urgent, right? Now
Yes, sir,
there's
sir, because
one
I
more
doesn't
thing
have
we
any
are
guider.
going to
So,
be.
sir, please.
Alex, I'll finish my things. One more things we are going to be announced over here, that in within 2,500 rupees, we are providing the entire syllabus of IMU. So if somebody didn't enrolled yourself in somewhere in IMU CT and thinks that he cannot prepare and needed the uh, this this syllabus or the required things for the IMU CET, they can contact me, or if you have any other doubt, they can also do me a WhatsApp. Now you can
Sir,
ask
when
your
we can get
Sir,
the admit card?
I will ping you.
यार तो ये खड़ते नहीं
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I think we
Sir,
have
I have
most
done
of
my
the
medical
doubts.
test from BDCC up to doctor. Sir, it is necessary to do again.
What you are telling? Can
Sir,
you speak once
is
again?
there any company in IMA coming before IMU CT?
No, no.
Take students.
There will be everything will be after that only.
Sir, after IMUCT,
Which section will get how many questions, which I have already explained. 50 from physics, 50 from mathematics, 25 from chemistry, 25 from English, 25 from GK, 25 from general aptitude, which I have already
Yes, sir.
explained.
Yes, sir. You already told me.
Yes.
Sir, what are the
Sir,
documents required for filling IMUCT?
See, if you are in general category, you require 10th, 12th. I'll show you what are the documents. It's already actually mentioned in the website. See here, if you have seen, in this, these are the scan documents. You can see scan copy of your passport size photo, scan copy of your scan of your signature, scan copy of 10th mark sheet, scan copy of 12th. Now here everything is applicable. Like you can take a screenshot of your result and you can upload it. UG mark sheet, right? And this is different. Now communicative certificate, community certificate, SC, ST, OBC, MCL, whatever you have, and EWS also, of course. Only these things will be required. You can take a screenshot of this.
Sir,
If
what
this
is
scan
EWS?
of MEO class 1 and POC is not for you,
Economically weaker section.
F point is not valid for DNS and BTech. Okay. So I think
Sir,
we
how many
cleared many of the
candidates have
doubts.
registered in your
These questions
for DNS batch?
here we are taking this for IMU CET. Again, I'll upload this video on my YouTube channel, also Multimedia. There also you can see and subscribe and share. Even if you have any kind of doubt, you can write it over there also. I'll reply it. Don't worry. I have shared my phone number. If anybody having any kind of doubt, they can do me a SMS also. Thank
Sir,
you. We
after
will meet
IMUCT
once
rank,
again.
other companies also visit.
हाँ, बताओ.
Sir, after IMUCT rank, other company also visit IMI.
100%. Other than that, anybody having any doubt?
Sir, how to prepare, how to practice papers for the IMUCT?
Practice papers, again, I'm telling you, we have the entire designed syllabus, questions, and the material with us. If anybody required, they can contact myself. I have given my numbers. We are providing, and even the coaching is also started with the crash course. Wants to join in 6,000 candidates can join there also.
सर वो ई पॉइंट समझा दो उसमें जो ई वाला पॉइंट था ना एफ के ऊपर.
Okay. E वाला point था scan copy of UG degree mark sheet. Now, if you see the eligibility criteria, if somebody did BSc या graduation, he is eligible for the DNS course. So that time he'll upload his mark sheet over there, and then he'll do the DNS.
How many?
So now, if
Sir, how
somebody
many-
is at 12, then he don't need to be upload any kind of the things for BSc. Please upload if you have the thing.